Amid growing concerns and problems, local leaders are now calling for immediate action on housing asylum seekers here in Western New York. For the last 2 months, local municipalities and resettlement agencies have been working with a company known as DocGo.
News 4's Sarah Minkowitz has been looking into this company, and she tells us about their role here. Sarah?
Don and Jackie, DocGo is based in New York City and is responsible for transporting asylum seekers and working with municipalities across the state to find them housing.
They're stepping into a void and they're trying to do the best they can. But the reality is that they don't really understand asylum seeker resettlement. They don't have, a wealth of experience working in these situations. And it's been challenging.
Dr. Myron Glick from Jericho Road says working with DocGo, a New York City-based agency, has had its challenges. DocGo was founded in 2016 and credits themselves as one of the largest mobile health providers in the United States. The agency was previously known as Rapid Reliable Testing and used to provide COVID testing and COVID vaccines. As the COVID-19 pandemic slowed down, the company then pivoted. According to its 2022 annual report, DocGo now provides medical assessment, medical treatment, vaccinations, and medical transportation to those seeking refuge.
We need to have a more coordinated, holistic system that relies on the people that have the most experience and the support needs to be there from the federal government all the way down.
This past week, there have been 2 separate cases of sexual assault charges involving asylum seekers. Congressman Brian Higgins says the federal government has to step up and take greater responsibility. He says the current situation places an unfair burden on communities, and politicizing human beings is not the answer. That ultimately, Congress needs to work together to find solutions through comprehensive bipartisan immigration reform. Congressman Nick Langworthy has been outspoken, calling for immediate action to address the health and safety risks.
We're the product of legal immigration, and it is what makes this country great. But we are also a nation of laws and law and order. Law and order needs to be celebrated and conducted every single day.
Now, Erie County Executive Mark Poloncarz says New York City officials have agreed not to send any more asylum seekers to Western New York for now, as local officials review health and safety concerns. The National Guard is expected to arrive this week to assist with logistics. In the studio, Sarah Minkowitz, News 4.